Do you know that coconut milk is not only a great alternative to traditional dairy, it's also a perfect addition to many cosmetic and beauty treatments? Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode of Tea Menu channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you simple biochemical fact of coconut milk, while at the same time we depict how to simply process it at home. First, it's worthy of note to know that coconut belongs to the palm family. Although typically considered as a nut, coconuts are classed as fruits, being a one-seeded group. Before I started the processing of cracking this coconut, I already sucked out the water with straw. So it's interesting to know that all parts of coconut can be used, including the water, milk, flesh, sugar, and oil. It's worth noting, however, that unlike the coconut water, the milk does not occur naturally and is made by mixing coconut flesh with water, which we'll be doing proper in this video. I'm just going to go ahead to let you know top 5 health benefits of coconut milk. First is that coconut milk contains significant amount of saturated fat. Unlike other nuts, they provide fat mostly in the form of medium chain triglyceride or fatty acid (MCTs), in particular lauric acid. Now, research suggests that these MCTs might help reduce body weight and buildup of fat. It can cause people to feel full for longer after eating. It can also increase the insulin sensitivity, which may promote weight loss, boost exercise endurance. Anyway, insulin is that essential hormone that breaks down glucose and controls blood sugar levels. As you can see, I am in the process of extracting the coconut milk, so you stick to this video and watch to the end, okay? And don't forget to like this video. If you haven't, press that like button. What are you waiting for? Secondly, it will interest you to know that coconut milk is lactose free. Unlike cow's milk, coconut milk is lactose free, so it can be used as substitute for those with lactose intolerance. Okay, coconut milk is also a popular choice with vegans and makes great base for smoothies or milkshake, and can be used as a dairy alternative in baking. Oh yes, and lest I forget, you should click the link. You're going to see where I made a high performance mocktail. That is a great smoothie. I made it with coconut milk as well, or I made it with some part of coconut, and it's so amazing. You would like to try that. So still talking about the lactose free. Lactose here is the main carbohydrate in all mammalian milk, including human, goat, and sheep. It's made up of 2 sugars, and your body needs an enzyme called lactase to adequately digest it. If this enzyme is lacking in those, it's called lactose. It's called lactose intolerance. Okay. Now, thirdly, I'm going to let you know also that coconut milk, it's very important because it has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antifungal property. As a result of it contains 50% of MCT, medium chain triglyceride, which has in particular lauric acid, and it goes through a lot of conversion in the body, bringing a compound called mannolorin, which helps to destroy a wide variety of disease-causing organisms. It is therefore thought that the consumption of coconut milk and other coconut-derived food may help protect the body from infection and viruses. Furthermore, coconut milk may support cardiovascular health. Medium-chain fatty acids are rapidly metabolized into energy in the liver. It's because of this that, unlike other saturated fatty acids, medium chain fatty acids are used up more quickly by the body and are less likely to be stored as fat. Then also, the good part is that if you have stomach ulcer, coconut milk may reduce stomach ulcer. An animal study found that coconut milk reduced the size of a stomach ulcer by the same amount as that of an anti-ulcer drug. Further studies even confirm that the mechanism for this is partly due to the milk's anti-inflammatory properties in combination with positive effects on the growth of mucosa. So, as you can see, the processing is moving and we are almost there. Lastly, I want you to know that coconut contain phenols, which is antioxidants. During metabolism and other processes, the body produces waste products called reactive oxygen species or free radicals. These free radicals that remain in the body can cause oxidative stress, resulting in damage and may lead to various health conditions, including cancers and heart diseases. Therefore, antioxidants help the body fight and remove free radicals, protecting it from disease. You see why coconut milk is good for you. Now, I'm almost done with the processing, but I'm going to let you know also, lastly, that there are various uses of coconut milk to meals and drinks. It is a staple ingredient in many Indian and Malaysian dishes. For example, cereal. You can try replacing dairy milk with coconut milk. Yeah. Smoothies. Use coconut milk in any smoothie at all. Just like I made that high performance mocktail, I added some coconut to it and it's so amazing. If you haven't watched that video, just kindly click the link and you're going to see it in a minute. Even oatmeal, you can use coconut milk as liquid in oatmeal. Sauces, add coconut milk to sauces. People can use coconut milk product as part of plant-based diet in place of dairy milk products. For this purpose, I'm going to be using it for food production. I'm going to be making a very lovely coconut rice with it, coconut rice dish. And make sure you tune into this channel, subscribe, and why not share this video so that